Hello learners, welcome in today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to look at speed. I want to believe we know more about speed. Uh, there are many questions that will come related to the speed in exam, and one of the questions that keep on coming is conversion. This is where you're asked to convert from kilometers per hour into meters per second, or meters per second into kilometers per hour. So you have to know the formula on how to handle the two. And before you know that one, you have also to know the formula of finding the speed. We have the common shape that all of us we know, the triangle, which is divided in. And in this triangle, it says that speed is equals to distance over time. So with this one, you can answer all questions regarding speed, whereby we say speed, which we represent it as S, is equals to distance, and you can see distance is on top of time. So speed is equals to distance over time. And when you talk of time, then we shall say time is equals to, you'll see distance is on top of speed. So distance over speed. And when you talk of distance, it will be distance is on top of speed and time. So speed and time becomes times. Speed times time. And that gives you the formula, or the three formula which are related to the speed. But on top of this one, you have to know also the formula on how to convert kilometers per hour into meters per seconds, and the meters per seconds into kilometers per hour. It is very, very easy. How do you do that? That's the question that I'd like us to answer today. Now, I'd like us to start with kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour, converting it into meters per seconds. Remember, you can't say kilometers per minute. You can't say meters per hour. No, it is kilometers per hour and the meters per second. Now, with this one, and for example, I've been given, I would like us to use our example. I would like us to use 72 kilometers per hour. Convert 72 kilometers per hour into meters per second. Now, with this 72 kilometers per hour, it means 72 kilometers over 1 hour. That's what it means in other words. Now, if it means 72 kilometers over 1 hour, then we can convert each figure on its own. Kilometers. How many meters make 1 kilometer? Good. 1,000 meters. How many? Now, this one we have to change. This 1 hour we have to change into seconds. So it means we take it to minutes, from minutes to seconds. So how many minutes make 1 hour? That is 60. Good. How many seconds make 1 minute? 60. So we have 60 by 60, and here we have 100. In other words, we are having 72 times 1,000 over 1 times 60 times 60, that is 3,600. Then we cancel. We all know divisibility test. The number is go by number. I believe we know all that. Now, with the numbers, we are having 3. So let's cancel the number given. 0 will go with 0, 0 with 0. Then we have remaining with 10 and 36. 2 goes in 10, 5. 2 goes in 36, 18. 5, 18. Underline that. Now, 18 and 72, we can say 72 is divisible by 3 because 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1 plus 8 is 9. So they are divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3, that is 6. And 72 divided by 3, that is 24. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6, it is 4. 20. We have 24 divided by 6 is 4. So 4 times 5, the answer is 20. Now, we are changing it into meters per second. So it will be meter per second. And this is your answer. So we have converted kilometers per hour into meters per second, and our answer is 20 meter per second. In the early place, I told you to underline 5 and 18. Now, I'd like to show you how you can calculate and do question without going into all this in the simplest way. Because math will make things easy, and we have to enjoy doing math. We should not make it stress. Now, you've been given example 2. Example 2, you've been given 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour. Now you're told convert 36 kilometers per hour into meters per second. Class, convert 36 kilometers into 36 kilometers into meters per second. Very simple. Take 36 over 1 times, this is 5. 5 over, this is 18. And we are through. 18 here 1, 18 here 2. 2 times 5, 10 meters per second. I tell you, math is so sweet. Very, very sweet. I want to believe with this example. And where are we getting 5 over 18? 5 over 18, it is 1,000 over 3,600. So it's 1,000 meters and 3,600 seconds. So when you simplify it, you will have 5 over 18. So when you are given question that you're told convert from kilometers per hour into meters per second, then you just multiply by 5 over 18. Now, when you have been told to convert from meters per second into kilometers per hour, question is, what should you do? With that one, you'll be taught in our next lesson. Have a beautiful day, remain safe, stay at home, take care, and don't forget to subscribe at the end of this. Thank you, be blessed.